Have you been wondering how people download videos from TikTok without that watermark showing? Come, let me teach you how to do it in just few minutes. It's very easy to do. In your phone or your desktop, you open your TikTok app, and when you open it, you click on the share button and you copy the link. After you copy the link, you open your browser. On your browser, you search for Snaptic. It's a website. When you search for it, you click on the link and open it, and you click on paste to paste your link, and click on the download button, and here you go. You click on the download button. You can download a video in HD or normal video. So after downloading, click on your downloads and you will see your downloaded video. I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.